The all-new Office 2016 for Windows is now available, and here are a few reasons why you should upgrade. First off, it's built for teamwork. Click Share in the upper right and you get a new Share pane or note, and you're done. And check this out, real-time typing in Word. Now you can see other people's changes as they type them. If you need to know who's making a change, hover over the flag and you'll see their name. Here's another reason to upgrade. New charts in Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Waterfalls, histograms, Pareto charts, box and whisker, and even charts like tree maps. The first column should be for general categories, the second column has more specific ones, and so on. Make sure to add values like dollar amounts or number of items sold too. Then on the Insert tab, click this button, and then Sunburst. Speaking of Excel, let's show you a faster way to get data into Excel. This web page has some interesting data right here. In the past, I had to copy and paste this and spend time formatting it. But with Excel 2016, it's much easier. First, I'll copy the URL of the page. Now in Excel, I go to the Data tab, New Query, From Other Sources. There are many great options here, but today I'm going to choose From Web. I'll paste in the URL and click OK. Now, I see that Excel has given me a list of tables on the web page. 10 most populous countries is the one I want. I click that, and then click Edit. Excel brings in the data. But because data from the web isn't always perfect, I can do some special cleanup here. Remove extra columns. I'll make the first rows into headers and format this column as numbers. When I'm done, I click Close and Load. There. Now the data is in Excel and I can work with it and analyze it however I want to. And the really cool thing is, I can click Refresh and see any changes that may have been made on the web page. Here's another reason to upgrade to 2016. Attachments are easier in Outlook. You no longer have to hunt for files on your computer. Click the Paperclip button, and you'll see recent files you've been working on. Click one, and it gets attached to the email. And check this out. If you attach a file that's on OneDrive, Outlook will create a special cloud attachment. A cloud attachment is essentially a link to the file. So when people double-click it, they'll go to the original file on the cloud and not a copy of the file. Another reason, Smart Lookup. Need to quickly research something while working in a document? Select a word, like snowboarding here, for example, then right-click and choose Smart Lookup. And finally, there's Tell Me. Say you have a hard time remembering where a button or menu is. Just click inside the Tell Me box, type a word or two, and the button appears right away for you to use. So those are just a few reasons to upgrade, but there are many more. Check out the information below this video and learn more about what's new in Office 2016.